In this video, we are going to look at managing media files. Managing media files. You cannot create a website without using the images, the videos, the documents, and the other video file formats. So let's get started. On the sidebar, you'll see Media tab. Click on it. If you have media items, you will see them here, but since you don't have any, that's why you're seeing no media items found. So if you want to add, come here, add in new media file. Then in case you have a folder, you can open and drag them here. Maximum upload file size is 40 MBs, which means that each file maximum should be below 40 MBs to be accepted on this software. So you can drag and drop the files here. If not, you can select, click on this select file. Let me use select file. I go on desktop where I have my folders. I open this SP file. Item 1, I have some images. Then I will use item 2 perhaps. Yes, item 2, I have plenty of them. So you can upload one by one. Click on it and then click open. It will be uploaded. You see, I'm having it here. I'm uploading the images I'll be using in my project. You cannot use the images you have not uploaded. So I've uploaded so far one image here. So let me upload all images at once. You just highlight them or Control A. Control A. Let me deselect this because I've uploaded it already. Then after that, you click on open. All images will be uploaded on your WordPress software. You see, they are here. They are loading. So that's how you can upload images. In case you want to upload a document, come here, select file, then item 1, this Excel file, open. So some files, when you upload them and they are not in the format this software accepts, you will see here an error that this image cannot be processed by the web server, converted to JPG or PNG before uploading. So which means that it is not uploaded. So let me dismiss the error. So that's how you can upload the images and the documents. I've uploaded this Excel document file. In case you have a video, I think I have a video. Let me upload it. Select files, item 1, this animated ergonomics video. Select it and then click open. The video will be uploaded. You see, I have it here, animated ergonomics MP4. So that's how you can upload the media files on your website. But what if you want to delete them? If you want to delete them, just click on it like this, come down, delete permanently. Scroll down and click delete. permanently. If you want to delete many, choose bulk select here and then you click on any file. You select all the files you want to delete and then click delete permanently. Once you delete them, you cannot recover any deleted item. That is the bad thing of deleting. So once you want to start, before you start creating adding elements on a page, it is advisable to first upload these images so that you save the time you would take to upload them on each page. So that is it. Thank you for watching.